Hey, it's Steve. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to sharpen the blades on a Yanmar 221. It's not easy. These decks are pretty heavy, but I've got a little trick up my sleeve. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the bucket to lift it up. And that way it'll be off the ground a little bit and I'll be able to sharpen these blades a little bit easier. First I want to get these garage door open. Get some light in here. And we'll get started here in a few. Okay, here we go. Fire this thing up. We're going to sharpen this thing right here on the vise. Okay, that's what it's looking like right now. Okay, had a little camera issue there. I think I got it all worked out though. All right, we're gonna take this off and look at it. I've actually already sharpened it and put it back on, but I'm going to take it back off so you can see how it goes together. It's kind of strange how these work. Kind of simple, but okay. Nice. Okay, so you got the nut. Here's the nut right here. Okay, so pretty standard looking. And then we're going to slide this off. Okay, you've got a cover here. Covers all the bearings and whatnot. And then you got this sleeve here. See that? And you got two washers that it sits in, just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back on. So I've already got this one sharpened. And there are a lot of flies today. So get that started. And then we'll tighten it down with the air gun. Oh, yeah, I forgot to put the shroud thingy on there. So this goes on first. Then the blades. I guess it's pretty simple. Okay. And it looks like my button has fallen off of the air impact wrench for the first time ever, so I don't know what that's all about. So we'll just try to stick it back on there. All right, so let's get this tightened up. Okay, now we're going to try to get to the middle one. Easier said than done. It's way over here. I did put a jack stand on there. And hydraulics tend to leak out. I don't want to fall on me. Okay, let's get this in reverse. Just like that. Just like that. Now I'll go over here and sharpen this one. Take a look at that. Yeah, see, that's super dull. I don't know about you guys, but I mean, I don't like them to get that dull. So we're just going to clean it up a little bit and finish off the season. And then we'll probably just get new ones for next spring. All right, I'll set you right there. I think you can see that all right. If not, I'll adjust it. Gotta find some place to put you. There's Ava. So say hey, Ava. Hi, Ava. She is our 4-year-old Rottweiler, and we have a male Rottweiler as well. Okay, that should do it right there. A little crooked. Sorry, guys. Just want to get you the best angle I can. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that Yanmar, they want I think $27 per blade, and there's 3 of them. So I'm just trying to save a few bucks here and there, but for the meantime. All right, this one's gonna be a little bit tricky. Whoa. Okay, I'll probably cut that out there for you. All right, this one's going to be a little bit trickier because it's further under there. Yeah, everything's way over there. Okay. Trying to figure out how to get in here. Okay, this goes on first. You think this would be easy, but it's really not. Huh. Guess it would be easier if I could get under there. I don't know, that doesn't feel right. Guess it'll be alright. Pretty much have to do this one-handed. I think I've got that bound backwards. Yeah. That's right. Now we'll move over to the other one. Okay, here we go. Ooh, no, Ava. Get back. Dogs, they want to love on you at the wrong time. Okay. Now we'll go over here and sharpen this one up real quick. Yeah, 27 something, $27.99 a piece. I should be wearing ear protection, but I'm not. Make sure that you wear your ear protection and your eye protection. At all times when grinding. Okay, that's blade number 3. That's faster than I thought it would be, but still takes a little bit of time. And my face is all wet. When I was laying down here, the dog licked me in the face. It's always nice. Okay. This time you're gonna get on first. And the blade. The last one's always the easiest because you've done 2 before it. Yeah, like I said, this is a Yanmar. I've had it for about 1.5 years. It's got about 145 hours on it. It hasn't been abused that much, if at all. Okay. All right. So here's an issue that I've been looking at on my wheel. Look at that. I think the wife hit something there. Is that normal? I don't know if I like that or not. These are front ones. I gotta get some grease. I need to put some grease in these grease fittings. So there it is. I hope this helps somebody out there, and that's basically what this channel is all about. Is Blood, Sweat, and Tears is trying to do homestead mowing, and my barn over here. I'm gonna try to insulate that. I'll do a video series on that, and I might do something with this barn too. This is a 24 by 24 stick built, and there's a lot of stuff up there, all my tools and whatnot. We'll save that for a different video. But hey guys, please like and subscribe. Doesn't cost anything, and it sure helps my channel out. I appreciate it. And Blood, Sweat, and Tears. Until next time, I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye-bye.